Looking for a new adventure in Boise? Check out Fastlane Indoor Kart Racing. Their brand new indoor track is an adrenaline-pumping experience with sharp turns and high-speed straights that will keep you on the edge of your seat. With speeds up to 45 miles per hour, this is a great indoor activity for any day of the week. Get a pit pass and race your coworkers, your friends, and family, and see who the fastest competitor is in your group. But the excitement doesn't have to stop there. After you've conquered the track, head over to their modern bowling lanes for some friendly competition, or immerse yourself in another world with their cutting-edge virtual reality games. You definitely want to check this out. And if you're planning a corporate event, a party, or a team building day, Fastlane's conference centers are the perfect spot to bring everyone together. We recently had the opportunity to race here, and it was so much fun. With so much to offer, it's no wonder Fastlanes is a go-to destination for fun and excitement in Boise, especially for those who love go-kart racing. Check it out and let me know what you think.